What are you doing, Caitlin?
Making slime, remember? It's this cool pink slime. Look at it. It looks like a house or something cool.
Oh, that is awesome.
Look at it. Droops down like a swing.
Elmer's Mega Slime Kit. Ooh.
Yeah, it's so fun. Look at me go.
Woohoo! It looks pretty easy to do. Are you having fun?
Yeah,
Seems like it's really, really fun.
and it's really easy. Just keep mixing it until you feel like it's real slime. And I
Yeah.
have felt real slime before,
Yeah.
so I know how it feels.
Yeah. You're an expert slime feeler. Okay, do you want to tell Uncle Brian and Aunt Pat thank you for your Christmas present?
Thank you for your Christmas present, Uncle and Aunt Pat.
Yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah, so much.